Welcome to this guide on understanding your CAT 2025 score and percentile. In this video, we'll dive into how your raw score is calculated, how it's normalized across different test slots, and how it ultimately translates into your percentile. Knowing these details can help you understand your performance better and plan your next steps strategically. Your raw score in the CAT exam is based on correct and incorrect answers. For every correct answer, you earn 3 marks, and for each incorrect answer, there's a -1 penalty. Unanswered questions carry no penalty. For instance, if you answer 40 questions correctly and 12 incorrectly, your score will be calculated as 40 into 3 minus 12 into 1 is equal to 108 marks. Your scale score is then calculated to ensure fairness. Since CAT is conducted across different sessions with varying levels of difficulty, your raw score is adjusted through normalization. This ensures that candidates taking more difficult slots aren't at a disadvantage. Scores from harder slots are adjusted upward, and scores from easier slots are adjusted downward, all to place everyone on the same scale. Your percentile represents how you performed compared to others. If you scored in the 99th percentile, it means you outperformed 99% of all the test takers. For example, if 250,000 candidates appeared for CAT 2025 and 2 lakh scored below you, your percentile would be calculated as 2 lakh divided by 250,000 into 100 equal to 80 percentile. This is a clear indicator of where you stand among all the candidates. The CAT 2025 score to percentile conversion can vary depending on the test slot. Based on expert analysis, slot 1 and slot 3 were relatively more difficult. Here's how your score might translate into a percentile across different slots. For a 99.9 percentile, your score in slot 1 would need to be 122, 115 in slot 2, and 119 in slot 3. For a 99 percentile, you would need to score 90 in slot 1, 83 in slot 2, and 86 in slot 3. Similarly, for a 95 percentile, the required score would be 70 in slot 1, 65 in slot 2, and 65 in slot 3. These variations highlight the impact of slot difficulty on your overall score and percentile ranking. When it comes to sectional scores, here's a breakdown of the expected scale scores across the 3 sections of the CAT exam: VARC, Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension, DILR, Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning, and QA, Quantitative Ability. For a 99.9 plus percentile, you would need to score around 51 in VARC, 44 in DILR, and 45 in QA. For a 99 percentile, the scores drop to 40 in VARC, 32 in DILR, and 29 in QA. Similarly, for a 90 percentile, you would need 23 in VARC, 16 in DILR, and 18 in QA. Having a strong performance across all sections increases your chances of securing a higher overall percentile. The minimum percentile required for IIMs varies by category and institute tier. For general candidates, IIMs like IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta, 99 to 99.5 percentile. Top 7 IIMs, 94 to 97 percentile. Baby IIMs, 90 to 94 percentile. For EWS candidates, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta, 95 to 97 percentile. Top IIMs, 90 to 93 percentile. Baby IIMs, 85 to 90 percentile. For OBC NC candidates, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta, 90 to 94 percentile. Top IIMs, 85 to 90 percentile. Baby IIMs, 80 to 85 percentile. For those looking at non-IIMB schools, here are some expected CAT percentile cutoffs. MDI Gurgaon, 97 to 99 percentile for general candidates, 93 percentile for SC/ST candidates. SPJ IMR Mumbai, 95 to 99 percentile for general candidates, 85 percentile for SC/ST candidates. IMT Ghaziabad, 96 percentile across all categories. These percentile ranges indicate the level of competitiveness in non-IIM institutes and can help you strategically plan your applications. For more detailed information and answers to all your CAT exam related queries, make sure to visit the official College Dunia page. It's your one-stop destination for updates, resources on everything CAT related. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your preparation and results.